Good morning from Triteia. It was a very bucky night. We were at Little Scorpion Anchorage on the southernmost tip of Santa Cruz Island. And yeah, it was very rolly. We even have our rocker stop route, but
I think we got that one giant one. There was one giant one that must have been a wake of a big
I thought we were
boat.
going to capsize.
Yeah, it was crazy.
It was insane. We were like, holy shit! But it was only one, so it had to have been just a really brutal wake. But, yeah, so. Having some coffee. Waking up. Plan on, it's like 7 a.m. now. On Thursday. Wow, Thursday. We head home tomorrow. John Conway's here with SB Felurian. And we're all planning on hauling up the hooks at 9 a.m. Heading around the corner to the south side of the island. He knows like a spot over there that we're going to go check out. Do some water sports. So, living Larry. I told you guys it was rolly. We have a 10-mile passage today. And then I think we're going to spend the night anchored at Yellowbanks, I think is a plan, which is cool. I've never been there. Camille's never been there. And it'll be another anchorage checked off the list. And then Friday morning we head home. We should have very light winds heading home, but we're going to fly our Reacher Jinniker and see what we can do.
This ended up being a 30-minute podcast-style conversation between myself and Camille, talking about how the boat did, how the equipment did, and just our feelings about the trip. We went ahead and put up the full unedited version of this conversation on our Patreon page. It's free for anyone that wants to go check it out. It's just some bonus footage. So yeah, you don't have to sign up to Patreon and check it out if you're interested in hearing that conversation. Okay, so the engine won't start, but it won't even turn over. So I think it's this key switch or the starter button. I'll show you what's happening here. So we turn it, you see the nothing happening. So I'm about to get in, have the key turn so it's getting juice to it, and then I'm gonna try to jump it and see if we can get it started that way. The next step after that is I'll just like jump start it from the starter itself, like in the engine if need be. Okay, I was getting ready to jump start the engine by just making like a hot contact between the 2 points on the starter. And when I reach back there to reveal the bare part of the terminal that goes to the controls, the screw is very loose. So I think it just vibrated loose. We'll see. Oh yeah. You see it right here, Camille? Yeah, just vibrated loose. And that thing's hidden under this little protective boot, so there's no arcing. All right, we'll see if that did the trick. And then if it did the trick when we get home, I'm gonna take that off, put Loctite on it so it's all buttoned up. Smuggler's Cove, Yellowbanks. So we're gonna be spending the night at one of those tonight. We're gonna go down here and see if we can get in some trouble. John, who's leisurely motoring astern of us with his much larger engine and larger boat.
He's making bagels.
He said he was making breakfast and didn't want to run into the back of it, so he motored down. I texted him on Iridium Go. I was like, you are okay? His motor kept dying this morning and died yesterday. So, just keep an eye on him.
We've got one more full day of adventuring, and then tomorrow we've got to head home. And it seems very strange. And in slow-mo and warp speed in different parts. John was hoping that we could press the boards and see if we can catch a couple waves. If not, I don't know. I'm hoping the sun comes out again. It's trying. It was really foggy this morning. But it's really calm and we're just hanging out on the cove. I like driving a boat. I think I'm getting pretty good at it. Just looking for lobster pots. There's so many out here right now. We're almost to the point that we're trying to round. Here it is. So we're at John's surf spot. There's 2 surfers out in the water. 3 surfers out in the water. I don't know what the wave actually doesn't look like much is happening, but we'll see.
Okay.
Checking the lobster pots. Wonder if they're getting any. I haven't seen any since we found.
Oh, adventure time.
That's right. Get it?
He's ready to shred.
Help. About to go out and surf here at Santa Cruz Island with John. We're on Felurian. He's a great surfer. I'm a terrible surfer. So, should be tubular.
It's gonna be totally tubular.
Sun's out at least. It's beautiful. Finally, man, it burned off. It's gorgeous out.
Sun's out, fun's out.
That's right. All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm super stoked. This is my favorite thing to do off Felurian, so glad to bring James out. Let's go shred.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat shit. Here's your thing, buddy. I know, I buried it. Trying to paddle in before yesterday's time. Trickier, about to fight with longer boards.
See John and James. Stay out there. I think all the other guys headed into the boat. So the boys haven't wanted themselves, which is nice. Y'all tuckered out?
What?
Y'all tuckered out?
Dude, you're not a surfer. That's a very, very, very long paddle. It's also like crazy fucking cold.
Is it? Well, you look cute.
Not a surfer. I don't have the patience for it.
Got the ass for it.
True.
Ow, ow! I don't know where my boots went.
You go for a snorkel? Pretty out. Got the place to ourselves.
Got enough weight on.
Too much?
Love you. See you in a minute.
Love you. Be safe. So beautiful. It's foggy over there. Might be chilly at the anchorage.
Rude.
Let's get in and get anchored.
Oh, it is foggy.
Anchoring in fog. New experience.
You tuckered out?
Very hungry.
Once we get there. Woo woo!
Boy, we got anchored just as this fog came in, right before dark. It's so surreal. It's also nice that like it's just us and John in the anchorage. But holy moly, crazy. This anchorage is cool. This is Yellowbanks, and we're in like 20 feet of water, and we're so far from the shore. It's
Can we even see the shore anymore? Oh,
barely.
Yeah, we are really far. It's very shallow. In a
Awesome.
cloud.
So crazy. We barely made it. We were like filming and taking photos of John while he was setting his hook, and then when we turned around, the fog was right there. I was like, shit. So I really wanted to be able to see him as we anchored so that I knew I wasn't like right on top of him. Santa Cruz Island, Channel Islands of California.
Fog has come in so thick and so quick we can barely see Triteia. We're gonna go over there, pick them up, and probably get dinner started. So foggy. It got super foggy and super dark, super quick. You can see Felurian still kind of backlit with some of that sunset. But Triteia looking very mysterious. Yeah, that looks so crazy.
It is completely bananas. We're gonna leave all our cabin lights on so we have a bigger target to hit.
I know. Yeah, I turned on other lights.
Our dear friends John and Alana of SV Felurian have started their own YouTube channel. You should pop over, check it out, watch your episode, like, comment, and subscribe. We love those guys and we're stoked that they're sharing their adventures with everyone now. You can find a link to their channel in the description of this video, or by clicking the card in the top right corner.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. It helps us a lot.
Thanks again to all of our patrons. Your contributions help us get the boat ready for big things.
Until next time.
What are you guys talking about? What are you talking about?